J. Pascual. Come on, I gotta show it when I get up. This has like a gigantic hoistway. Oh my god. They really aren't going that fast. Anyway, J. Pascual. And got these ALJO buttons. Look how big this hoistway is. It's huge. Look at that. That is weird. I wonder if there's a service car. We're gonna look quickly. Whoa, what the hell? We're outside now. What the hell? There's the counterweight. Goes up like that. And into there. Very interesting place here. This is a weird ass building. Very weird. And that's a vent into the bathroom. Get your poopy smells right out to the hall. Off that. Very odd. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna pause and just take pictures attained. Back down we go. This has a weird cab shape. It gets narrower at the door and then, you see how that is? That is strange. Maybe those folding doors can only be a certain amount wide. Wider than they couldn't go as wide as the cab was. I don't even know.